Today's topic is nitrogen cycle. Our atmosphere has 78% nitrogen gas. Nitrogen is an important component of protein, chlorophyll, vitamins and nucleic acid. Hence, it is required by plants as well as animals. Nitrogen cannot be absorbed from the atmosphere directly by plants for their growth. It has first to be converted into nitrogen compounds. The circulation of nitrogen through living things like plants and animals and non-living environment like air, soil and water is called nitrogen cycle. The main steps in the nitrogen cycle in nature are: Step 1 is nitrogen fixation. The conversion of free atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds is called nitrogen fixation. It occurs in two ways. First is lightning. When lightning strikes, nitrogen and oxygen in atmosphere react and form oxides of nitrogen. They dissolve in rainwater and form nitric acid. Nitric acid reacts with limestone, that is calcium carbonate, in the soil and converts into nitrates. Second is biological nitrogen fixation. Some leguminous plants like peas, beans, pulses contain rhizobium bacteria in their root nodules. These bacteria can take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into nitrogen compounds. Some cyanobacteria also fix atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. Second step is nitrogen assimilation. Plants absorb nitrates from the soil dissolved in water with the help of roots and convert them into plant proteins. The herbivorous animals eat green plants and convert the plant proteins into animal proteins. The herbivorous animals are then eaten by carnivorous animals. The process of conversion of inorganic nitrogen compounds into organic compounds that become a part of living organism is called nitrogen assimilation. Step 3 is ammonification. When plants and animals die, the proteins present in them are converted into ammonium compounds by the putrefying bacteria and fungi or decomposers present in the soil. This process is called ammonification. Ammonification is the conversion of complex organic compounds like proteins into ammonia. Step 4 is nitrification. Ammonium salt in the soil is converted first into nitrites by Nitrosomonas bacteria. The nitrites are then converted into nitrates by Nitrobacter bacteria. These bacteria are called nitrifying bacteria. The nitrates so formed in the soil can once again be absorbed by the plants. This process is called nitrification. So the conversion of ammonia into nitrates is called nitrification. Step 5 is denitrification. Some of the nitrates are absorbed by the plants. Rest of the nitrates in the soil are converted by Pseudomonas bacteria into nitrogen gas that escapes into the atmosphere. The conversion of nitrates into free nitrogen gas by denitrifying bacteria is called denitrification. Thus, the nitrogen cycle maintains the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere.